Hello, everyone. This is going to be a no frills video, but the topic, the information I'm sharing to anyone who wants to build their own online business of selling products, selling services, promoting affiliate links, becoming a YouTuber, website builder, publisher, affiliate programs, selling other people's products on top of your own. I feel that you would want to listen to this. I just came across this woman who her title of a video is Etsy Closed My Shop. And I will include both links in the description below. She speaks about she made $6,000 worth of sales in the last quarter. She's a one-man show. It's a very hard to She's an artist. She's producing products, but she learned a lesson. She speaks about copyright, trademarking, and she did her research, and she really thought she was okay. And listening to her, I've been down that path. And when I made my decision to move forward with WordPress, becoming a proficient WordPress website developer, I decided to build my website speaking about other people's businesses. And it's working for me. But that took a lot of trial and error, a lot of mistakes. Years ago, yes, I had accounts closed and I had to work really hard to get them reopened because I wanted them opened. Because I knew I would need them now. And now I'm here now. And if you follow me, you know I'm succeeding online with my two websites. I'm working on other things behind the scenes, entering the decentralized web where I have full control over my business. I'm not renting a domain. I'm not renting any space. I'm not paying for I'm learning that. I'm not paying for any hosting. I'm hosting my own future websites, but that takes a lot of work, a lot of time, energy, practice, studying, research, practice, to have full control over your own business. That nobody could take it away. And in the two videos I just watched of this woman, watch the first one first, Etsy Closed My Shop, and then watch the second one of her speaking to her audience after she took a break. And I feel she's going down. I'm gonna contact her. I feel she's going down the wrong path of jumping onto Spotify now. Even though she learned all her lessons with trademarking and copywriting, I mean, she was on a fine line, but she was mixing her art with regular words, and she never dreamt, and she even did the research that regular words were protected by a singer or an artist, and it's not fair. She put two words together, and they're words. And people own those words. You learn that. So I feel I am going to reach out to her because now she's going to jump onto Spotify, or Shopify. And she's going to go down the same path. All that worry, and anyone could take her website, her business away like that. The woman made 6,000 sales in one quarter. She's a one-man show. That's hard to do. And she's producing the products. She's the artist. And she's building the business. And what I'm against with those platforms, Etsy, create your own store. Well, you're paying them top dollar for all the services they provide and all the functions that you need. Keeps you dummy because you don't know how to do those functions. You don't know how it works on the back end. Where a WordPress website developer learns how to run their business on the back end, so they can, enjoy the front end. And she's going to go down the same path, Shopify. It's like using any WordPress. It's like using any website builder. When I started a long time ago, I used GoDaddy. And when I made the decision to go WordPress, I knew it would take me at least 5 years to learn what I needed to learn to start producing the work that I wanted to produce. And I'm building a business, several businesses, promoting other people's products and services. And it works for me. And it continues to work for me. Don't take any shortcuts. Think real long and hard. Do you want this to be a decade experience? Do you want to put in a few years and then have somebody take away your website? Anything can happen. Anybody could say anything to you. And she discusses that too, because she's completely devastated. She's knocked down. She failed again. I failed so many times, but now I'm here. I lost count how many people, you're still working on that? You're still doing that? What's taking you so long? Oh, shut the F up. That's why you don't have what it takes to create something from nothing. I really felt the passion, the purpose, the meaning. The passion leads to purpose. That's true. I've lived it. And enjoying my purpose now, and it's only getting better. So visit the links in the description below. This is about not taking shortcuts. I see myself in my 80s working on my websites and so much more. But I had that vision for myself. I knew someday I would get there, and it was a tough journey. Learning how to, all the back end stuff, the security, the plugins, the setup. I set my business up to run automatically, and occasionally I need to do a little tweaking to make sure everything's running, to make sure all the mechanics are running properly. Well, that took years of work, years of learning, years of studying, years of practice, years of doing. That didn't just happen overnight. I have full control, 99.9999999% of my business. And when I go decentralized more, I'm working on that. I'm going to have full control. I won't be renting domain names. I own them. I won't be renting hosting space. I own it. That's my space. There's a lot to be learned and had, but that's my passion. That's my purpose. That's my passion. That's my passion. That's my purpose. It's passion to purpose. That's how it works. So visit the links in the description below. This was a video to give you more of an insight to what can happen after years of hard work, and watch this video of this woman. I will be writing her, because if she's going to start all over, and she even discusses in the second video how she's going to take her time, and she's not going to take any shortcuts. She's not going to feel rushed. Even though she was so concerned about giving the best customer service possible, she's a one-man show. She's not someone who's standing there. She walked into a family business and everything's set up that I'm going to delegate responsibility to you and pay you, and I'm going to pay you. That's your responsibility, and I'm going to delegate this job task to you, and I'm going to pay you $600 a week to do that and do that. No. It don't work that way. She's becoming a self-made person. She got knocked down again. Knocked down again. I've been there. So watch it. Don't give up, folks. Continue to follow me. Please give it a like. Please subscribe. You want to watch someone who's winning? I'm winning. I'm telling you. Take the time. Go through all the struggle. She even mentions all the videos she's got to watch to learn stuff. She might as well start with WordPress or Drupal. But I chose WordPress. You have a lot more freedom. Nobody could just pull the plug from your business. It's yours. But there's a lot of behind the scene, the back end work that needs to be done, and you have to understand it. And now I'm fast. I know how to fix it. When something breaks, I fix it. What used to take me days to figure out takes me about an hour. 30 minutes, it's fixed, done, because it's mine. Don't you want that? Don't you want that for your future business? I didn't go through all of this just because I have nothing better to do. I did it because it was my passion, which has led me to my purpose. So check the links in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Never give up. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. See you soon. Bye, everybody.